So, sir, in your previous answer, you mentioned a very important point, or that you essentially look for liquidity, while you would be creating a strategy or a fund that is agnostic to other market conditions in terms of delivering performance. But liquidity is something that you would need. Uh, is it the hunt of liquidity due to which your fund participates in global exchanges? And how many exchanges does the fund currently participate in today, versus do you have plans to increase that number of exchanges? And a follow on would be, does that have any impact on the Sharpe ratios and Sortino ratios in the long term?
See, you rightly pointed. We are a liquidity chasing fund. We look to add all liquid exchanges across the world to trade in. Currently, we are trading on 12 exchanges in our fund, and our idea is to keep adding, look for more liquid exchanges. See, for us, the idea is to make sure that every liquid instrument anywhere in the world, if it's moving, we should be trading it. We should be participating in it. And it's a kind of a challenge that we internally thrive on as well, right? Compete with big boys, right? Firms like Millennium, right? The big boys out there, like $80 billion guys. We want to compete with them. We started this being very humble. We are a very small firm, but that's the target at which we are running. Trade all liquid exchanges across the world. A lot of technology built up, a lot of data warehousing is happening as we speak. So we are already started warehousing or storing the data for 5 exchanges more, which you want to roll out in probably next 12 to 18 months. Let me see this, right? What is the function of Sharpe? Sharpe ratio ज़्यादा कैसे आता है? See, diversification का सही मतलब क्या है? Today, if let's say I'm a mutual fund guy, right? I have 20 stocks in my portfolio. Am I diversified? Will me owning 20 stocks of a same economy, same country, is it diversification? In my opinion, it's not. It's stock picking. You should buy it only if those stocks deserve any merit. But you should not buy more stocks, buy more mutual funds, or buy more schemes or more PMS for diversification, because they are underlying playing the same thing, right? If something happens which triggers a collapse, all of them will go down equally. Maybe one more, one less, but the correlation will be very high, right? Sharpe ratio happens higher when you do a lot of things which are uncorrelated, right? So if I add another exchange, let's say you, where I'm not operating right now, it will be completely uncorrelated to what I'm doing in India, what I'm doing in Hong Kong, what I'm doing in Brazil, or maybe what I'm doing in US. For the matter, even the market hours are different. So for me to, so like Hong Kong and Brazil have zero correlation in their market hours. Market hours ही अलग है. India, US, zero. Their market hours ही अलग है. So when you operate in this kind of completely uncorrelated environment, right, it automatically improves your Sharpe ratio. So in my opinion, if you are hunting for Sharpe ratio, what is the target for us? To hunt for AUM, to run a much larger AUM like big boys, like Millennium, to provide the same Sharpe ratio, maybe better Sharpe ratio than them. So that dream will only come when we as a firm first invest and then try to sell up. Keep investing in more exchanges, more infrastructure, more data sources, and keep improving our Sharpe ratio. And we believe, and this is something that we tell to our investors as well, right? Diversification आता ही तब है जब आप uncorrelated bets लेते हो. If आप correlated bet लेते हो, आप कितना भी diversify कर लो. If they are correlated, this is not diversification. This will not improve your Sharpe ratio. This should only be done if you think there are so many opportunities available to you. You should not do it for diversification.
Right. So for our clients/investors, the key takeaway is that Sharpe ratio improves when you diversify with uncorrelated instruments/underlying assets.
Yes.